As you can see, currently I'm having $987 in Notion credit, and I used some money out of it in order to get my Notion membership for a year. And in this particular video, you will learn how you can get $1,000 in Notion credit by paying less than 10% of it, and also getting many amazing offer around that. So this is what I'm going to cover in this particular video. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel for getting this kind of hot SaaS deal. So let's start. So how I got this credit, $987 credit. So basically I used a service called Secret, and they give offers to many tools. For example, as you can see, for the basic plan they are giving 30% ClickUp discount, which is also applicable, and there are some of the advertisement in the bottom of the funnel. Image SEO, right? 6 months free on standard image plan, 1500 images. So what they do is they go ahead and do partnership with the startups in order to give us best offers. But to avail this offer, what you have to do, you have to pay membership. Like they having three plans as of now: $0, some Google Cloud, blah blah blah, free deals that they offer. Then uh, some basic plan, $40 a month. Then you will get this deal. Then premium plan, which includes Notion, Miro, DigitalOcean, and Webflow. And these are the deals for what I paid. Join Secret about $80, and you can use coupon code SUBSAS20. That's SURFSAAS 20 in order to get 20% off, and it will cost you only $80 for this premium membership if you're going for Notion. If you need Stripe, AWS, then you can consider purchasing big plan as well, but the coupon code is SUBSAS20. Yeah. So now, if you look at this whole graph, you will get to know about many deals. And if you want the Notion deal, you need to opt for premium deals. And I have opened that over here, but let me show you how this works. For Notion deal, you need $1,000 credit. For Typeform, 6 month free on Pro plan. You will get it with 6 months for absolutely free. Send in Blue 75% off. $1,000 in Miro credit. Yeah, I'm going to avail this offer because I purchased this membership in order to get Miro, Notion, and DigitalOcean $250 credit over 12 the period of 12 months. And there are many deals as well, like SCM Rush, and some of these deals are public as well. But yeah, you can consider which one you are looking for. Now, how you can get the Notion $1,000 credit? Let's come to the point. Now, in Secret, when you will join the premium plan, you will send to this particular tool page. I will directly link this up in description, so you can directly go here, click on the button over and purchase the membership right away. And make sure to use coupon code SUB/20 in order to get $20 off on this plan. Now, what they do is they do partnership. They did a partnership with Notion where they will give you a credit line. Now, how that works? Now, to verify that like they are verified partner with Notion or not, I checked out Notion website and I found that they are partners. And to avail this offer, you need a website which is live. Nothing else, just a website which is live. Now I went to Notion website and I clicked on check available eligibility tab in order to see Secret is their partner or not. I clicked on check the availability, and now as you can see there are various list of partners, like these are some funding agencies and whatnot. I just typed Secret, right? As you can see, Secret is over here. I submitted Secret and they said me to do this, but you don't need to do this. When you will purchase the membership, just email them over this email. And I sent this email on 13 August, mid of the day, right? Around 1 p.m. Then I got the response. 13, 14, 15 was Saturday, Sunday. Then 16 on Monday, I got the reply on, you can say within approximately one working day, I got a reply from them, and they give me a coupon which includes the Secret terms into it, which means they are verified partner and they are also Notion website. But then what you have to do is you have to go to your Notion account. Now you have to choose the workplace because this discount is applicable only on one workplace. So I thought I clicked on my personal workspace. You have to go to settings. If you are already on a plan, what you have to do is you to have to come under billing and click on this apply coupon and apply over here. If you're not under plan, click on the plan, click on this upgrade tab, right? Then they will ask you for your credit card information. Then in credit, after entering credit card in the coupon section, add that coupon and you will get $1,000 in, and your plan will be upgraded. Now this is how you can get $1,000 credit with Secret. Again, I am an affiliate with Secret, which means you, when you will purchase Secret using my affiliate link, you I will get paid about I will get paid some lump sum, not lump sum, but a very small amount, which is I think less than, I don't know how much they are paying me. So yeah, so you will get I will get some commission, and in exchange, you will get us very good coupon, 20% off, as well as a very good deal. So that's all about this for the video. Again, use coupon SUBSUS20 in order to get 20% off and save big buck on this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. My affiliate link will be given below. That's shehraz.link/notion credit. Shehraz.link/notion hyphen credit. That's all. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more deals like this.